If you're making money online, then there are some tools out there, most of which are free and simple to use, and can really help you a long way in your journey to get more visitors and subscribers from your website, squeeze page, or blog. In this video, you're going to learn several different tools you can use for each of the 4 following things. One is for getting organized, knowing where things are, and being productive, trying to get work done online with a team while managing the other resources that you have. The other is getting the intelligence you need to make smart decisions, market research that will help you in everything from your advertising to pricing, sales, and more. Then, if you're into search engine optimization, there's some tools out there that can help you with keyword research and getting backlinks. And lastly, some social media tools that can help you get more traffic and engagement and hype regarding what it is that you're offering. Step 1. Here are the tools that will get you organized and productive. The first 2 here are very helpful for project management and getting things done. With Basecamp, you can upload task lists of work to be done and share them with people who can use different computers and all be on the same page to see who needs to do what and when. Same thing goes for Asana. This is a free service and will keep track of any projects and tasks that you have. You can assign different tasks to different people and store things as well. It's kind of a contact management software as well. You can record conversations and take notes from every phone call you have with different people. RoboForm is a software that'll help you with passwords. If you've got a bunch of usernames and passwords in different places, and especially if you want someone else to be logging in and using your accounts for you, then get a copy of RoboForm. Get it to them as well, and you'll never have to tell them what the username and password are for your different profiles, which you're constantly changing anyway. And lastly, Evernote is great software that can be used to keep everything that you have organized and searchable both online and in your computer so that you never lose a thing again. Now we're going to show some tools that you can use to get a leg up on your competition. Alexa.com provides some good information about websites, including the top websites out there, statistics on internet traffic, related links, online reviews, contact information, and so on. Compete is a page service, but it can give you a lot of insight about online consumers and their data that can help you with your own digital marketing and media planning and ad strategy. Quantcast is the place to go in order to find out the demographics of the people that you're advertising to. Who goes to the websites similar to yours? What are their ages, genders, races, marital status, income, education level? You can find out all of that here. And also, SimilarWeb will help you see your competitors' engagement metrics, such as where they're getting their traffic from, how many people come to their site, and a wealth of other data. Now we're going to show you some tools you can use to get your website found in search engine results. Google used to have a tool called their keyword tool for AdWords, and it has been replaced now. This is cutting edge with Google Keyword Planner. This is a tool that you can use in order to see how many people are searching for certain things and get an estimate of how many visitors can come to your website if you bid on certain terms. Google Trends will help you to explore trending topics and see what's hot currently. Is the topic you're about to write a blog post going up in interest, or is it going down in popularity? Less so than it was a couple of years ago? This is what you can find out in advance before you spend your time and money generating content. HitTail is a long tail keyword tool, and what it does is help make sure that your organic traffic increases by focusing on the keywords that are the most helpful at getting visitors coming to your website. Also, if you're looking for a way to find long tail keywords, which are keywords that are longer in length than just 2 or 3 words, then the ultimate tool to have for you is Longtail Pro. It'll help you sift and sort and find just the right ones so that you have the best strategy from day one. And another great tool for choosing keywords to target is Uber Suggest. This is where you can enter one keyword and it'll come up with 200 to 300 variations of that for you that you can research further in order to know the exact keywords and be spending your time trying to rank. And lastly, here are some tools that will help you get more attention and buzz online. Number 1 is Hootsuite, which is a service that you can use to manage how you send and scan through messages and posts and updates on pretty much all of your different social media channels, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. It's a great tool for scheduling posts and managing your social media efforts. TweetDeck is similar to Hootsuite. It helps out with Twitter. It's another option to look into, but Hootsuite's the big one. Also, competing with Hootsuite is Buffer, a new tool that helps you to schedule tweets in a unique way. You can use it in conjunction with Hootsuite or TweetDeck. But the beautiful thing about this is you can not only say, I want you to post this image or video or text at a certain day and time, but you can tell it what times of day you want it to post, and then anytime you have something new come to you, you just add it to your buffer and it will automatically post on Twitter during the times when the most people are paying attention. So I hope that these tools can help you in getting organized and productive, knowing the right strategies, keywords to target, markets to go after, and their definitions and qualities so that you can have more traffic coming to your website and therefore more conversions, subscribers, and sales, whether you're social media, pay-per-click, email marketing, or whatever kind of marketing. There will be links to the tools I spoke about in the description below. In order to find out even more cutting-edge traffic strategies and tips and tools for you to grow your business online, click the subscribe button to stay in tune so that you can see even more of my informative videos as they come out. Thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful morning, day, or evening wherever you are on this big blue marble spinning in the abyss.